I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. Oh, so good, with every breath that I am able.
Your voice, I've known you as a father.
You have been so, so good.
You told me I am chosen. You told me what great love for my soul. Deep, deep believe. Oh my, oh my God. As I often do, lift up my hands, praise you again and again.
From this moment, life has begun. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on, I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to start. You are
Amen. Ingon nga banag o asawa sumala sa kasuguan sa Dios o sa balaod sa atong nasod. Honored parents, sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you a new couple, Mr. and Mrs. GB and Bimen Timada. Ako ipan ko yung GB and Bimen, dili na kamo duha kundi usa. Usa ang giusa sa Dios, walay tao nga makapabulag nini. Ang Diyos man ipusan niyo. Okay? So walay gahom sa tao nga makapabulag siya. Okay? So karon GB, legal kiss. Legal na. Sige. Excited kayo eh. Sakro. Usap pa kayo, masaka, bantay. Okay, usap. Di magamot ha, ang Ginoo magapanalangin o magabantay kaninyo, ang kahayag sa Ginoo magasidlat diya kaninyo o maluluyon kaninyo kung maghahatag kanyo kalinaw sa walay katapusan. Amen. Okay, congratulations. Dito,